Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Indian Fashion Trends. In today's video, I'm going to share some beautiful stylish beaded purse designs. So let's discover the essence of elegance with our latest YouTube video on stylish beaded purse designs. From intricate patterns to contemporary embellishments, we explore a stunning array of beaded purses that blend craftsmanship with chic fashion. Whether you're looking for a statement piece for a special occasion or seeking everyday sophistication, our video guides you through the trends and inspirations that defines modern purse designs. So join us as we delve into the world of beaded purses, showcasing their versatility, craftsmanship, and how they can elevate any outfit effortlessly. Don't miss out on the perfect accessory to elevate your style. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.